you guys could see it. Over there in the distance, there's a lot of cloud of smoke. Okay. Oh, we need to clean our stupid, nasty car. You can see the bird poop in my shot.
Sorry.
It's okay. It's not you. It's the
flow of traffic, man. I wonder if that guy is like replaying it in his head and thinking like, damn, I could have died.
The guy in the semi?
Yeah.
Imagine if it was scary for us. Imagine how fucked up it must have been for him.
Yeah,
Poor guy, man.
Big ass truck.
He saw his life flash before his freaking eyes.
He had to like stop very suddenly so like the truck swerved because it's so much weight.
Hey man, but like how much attention were you not paying in order for it to like have? Because it seems like that wasn't like a last minute thing.
Yeah.
I can't even see the fire from here. We gotta get closer.
What I'm saying is, it did take him a long time to brake because he's
right
carrying
there.
a
So
very,
right there, look, see, that's all that smoke from the fire.
so fast that he would have hurt himself.
Because it's been a crazy morning already. Life's so crazy sometimes.
And it just started, man.
Yeah. Like it could be really, really chill and boring sometimes, and then the next thing you know, it's crazy. Is today Tuesday? Everything always happens to us on a Tuesday. I think this is where you and me met, huh, Queen? These apartments right here? Queen, when we met, we didn't meet here. We met at Golden Corral, but the first day we went out, we came to a party that was in these apartments. It was a St. Patrick's Day party. We both.
Alex. Golden Corral.
I wonder what happened to him. I would have thought he'd be a musician by now.
Yeah, he was very like.
He was a DJ, and he was always doing music and shit.
What the fuck? I hate this mirror. It doesn't stay open.
You broke the thing on it.
Yeah, I don't want it here no more. I didn't break it. It just started collapsing like that. Like I wasn't able to open it.
I can't do this.
To stay down.
Son of a bitch. If I could have my screw back, I could do it. You need a light?
No, I just need it to stay open so I can use it.
Sorry, Marina. Ah, but she's like, if you're late, don't worry, it's Andy. I'm like, you don't worry. I do, because he doesn't like me as much as he likes you guys.